Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we are learning 15 basic sentence for you. So let's start it. Number 1 is the flower is pink. The T-H-E, the F-L-O-W-E-R flower is pink. P-I-N-K, pink. The flower is pink. Okay, number 2 is I like ice cream. I-L-I-K-E, like I-C-E, ice cream, C-R-E-A-M, cream. Okay, number 3 is the cat is sleeping. T-H-E, the C-A-T, cat is S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Okay, number 3 is we see the moon. W-E-S-E-E-C, the M-O-O-N, moon. We see the moon. Okay, and next one, number 5 is the book is on the table. The B-O-O-K-S, book is on the T-A-B-L-E, table. The book is on the table. Okay, number 6 is the baby is crying. T-H-E, the B-A-B-Y, baby is C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. The baby is crying. And next one, number 7 is the cow say moo. T-H-E, the C-O-W, cow, S-A-Y-S, M-O-O, moo. Okay, number 8 is the dog barks loud. Okay, T-H-E, the D-O-G, dog, B-A-R-K-S, barks, L-O-U-D, loud. The dog barks loud. Okay, number 9 is I like to read. I-L-I-K, like to, R-E-A-D, read. I like to read. Okay, next one, number 10 is the ball is round. T-H-E, the B-A-L-L, ball is R-O-U-N-D, round. The ball is round. Number 11 is the chair is blue. The chair is B-L-U-E, blue. The chair is blue. And number 12 is the kite flies high. Okay, the K-I-T-E, kite. Oh, sorry. The clock shows time. The clock shows time. Okay, and number 13 is she can sing well. She can, S-A-N-G, sing, W-E-L-L, well. And number 14 is the rain is falling. R-A-I-N, rain is F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. The rain is falling. Okay, last one, number 15 is the sun shines bright. The S-U-N, sun, S-H-I-N-E-S, shines bright, B-R-I-G-S-T, bright. Okay, thank you so much kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe please. Thank you so much.